In this video, you will learn how to import a Zoom Final Cut Pro XML sequence into your Adobe Premiere project. If you spend hours scrubbing through footage to find the clips to cut, this feature will revolutionize your workflow. Check out this example. Brian, who is an editor, needs to produce a soccer highlight reel within minutes of a match that just finished. His producer Sylvia has already selected the good shots in the Zoom web client on a video proxy of the soccer match. Brian opens up the search filters from the All Files panel in the plugin. From the search filter, Route to, he selects Brian to list all the assets Sylvia has assigned to him to edit. He sees the soccer footage at the very top. Brian promptly selects it and clicks Import Link in the Zoom plugin. And voila, Zoom creates a new sequence in his Premiere bin. Not only that, Zoom also imports the footage and links it into his Premiere project. Brian didn't have to hunt down the footage or manually link with it using Adobe Premiere Replace Link option. He opens the sequence in the Premiere timeline. Brian mouses over the sequence to see if the markers are correct. Indeed, all the good shot markers are present on the timeline. Best part is, Brian finds the footage has already been edited. He doesn't even have to lift a finger to do the cuts. He can sip his favorite tea and enjoy the hours saved.